If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. So I recently, y'all, went to the dollar store looking for things for this trunk or treat, and I'll do that in a whole separate video. But I found some cute stuff for the fall, and I wanted to kind of show you guys. I didn't really get a whole lot of stuff, but I just wanted to show you the things that I got, and show you a couple of the stuff that that they had available. Wasn't a whole lot of stuff like I've seen in some other people's local Dollar Trees, but it was a decent amount of stuff. Oh, side note, the Xhale Co hat, y'all. For my Xhale loves, Xhale gang, make sure you guys hit the link that is going to be in the description box. Get yourself a hat. Check out some of our other merchandise, y'all, and make sure you support Xhale. Is pretty much exhaling whatever it is that is on your shoulders and breathing, y'all. So exhale all the BS, inhale all positivity, exhale negativity, whatever it is that you have going on, exhale. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so here we go. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, so I only got a few things, but I had got these votive candles. And I got those for these gold. These are so cute, and I'm going to go back and buy, like, all of them. If you know from my videos, I do a lot of event planning, and these for $1 are a steal. So I got these for the living room table. I'm huge on candles. Speaking of candles, I also got these candles. I got them in all three of the colors that they had. So the gray one is toasted marshmallows, if you can see that. Then I got orange one. These are so cute. And this one is, of course, pumpkin spice. And then I got this green one. I don't know what this is because it's kind of messed up. Oh, Rake Pile Leap. That is the cutest name ever, and I cannot wait to light this because I want to know what that smells like. Rake Pile Leaves. Okay. Maybe for the table, because I got some different flowers to go into the table. So I got two of these ones. I thought they were so cute with the little red sunflowers. So they're sunflower bouquets. And then I got two of these, also red leaves. It's called oak leaves. I got two of these. And then I got three of these. These ones are called grass with feathers. But they were so cute. And they had like two different colors. Like one was like a reddish kind of color, but I don't know. I didn't really like it. I guess like I don't know how to describe it. But whatever. So I will be putting these together to make a bouquet for the table. Then I also got, I needed new placemats because the kids ruined the last ones I had. I had some beige ones. So I was trying to look for ones that would be just as easy to clean. And the color scheme in a lot of my house is a lot of gray in the house. I don't know. I think gray is a cute accent colors to other ones. So I got these placemats. They're so cute. I got 4 of those to go onto the table. That was pretty much it of what I got, just to do some little stuff. I'm going back to get some more things from like Bath and Body Works and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I just wanted to show you some of the things from Dollar Tree. This was just a quick video. I will be back because I'm going to show you guys some other Halloween things that I'm doing for the trunk or treat, as well as all of my other fall finds. So thank you, my loves, for tuning in. Like I said, this was just another little quick video. Remember, you can do anything that you set your mind to. Check out the brand and have a good day, loves. Adios.